Hey guys, Joe here with JoeMartinMVC, and today we're doing a short video on how to get clean caulking lines. If you're anything like me and have absolutely no skill with the caulking gun, this will save you a ton of cleanup time. We start off by masking off the area that we're going to be caulking. You'll want to create around a 1/4 inch gap between the two pieces of tape, or whatever size you want your caulked line to be. Once we have our tape lines down, it's time to grab your caulking and caulking gun. Because I hate using pump action caulking guns, I am using Ryobi's 18-volt caulking gun, which just makes it a bit easier for me. You don't have to keep pumping the gun, which can cause a bit of a jarring motion and mess up your bead of caulk. Just take your time and go down, making sure to put a good bead of caulk in the groove between the lines. After we've gotten our bead of caulking in the tape lines, we can go ahead and smooth it out, removing the excess caulking. There are a few different ways we can do this. The easiest and cleanest way is with a tool designed for smoothing out caulk lines. The little black triangle has 3 different sizes you can use for your line. I'm using 1/4 inch. The other way is to wet your finger and run it down across the bead as well. You can see this works just as well, but is a bit messier and smears the caulking a bit more. Either one works, I just don't like how caulking feels on my finger. Once you have your caulking lines cleaned up to the point that you're happy with it, you can go ahead and remove your tape lines. It is imperative that you remove your tape before the caulking dries, as it will rip out the caulk if you let it dry. You should have at least 10 minutes though before that's really a concern. So go ahead, remove your tape, and enjoy your clean and smooth caulking lines with no mess around them. That's all for today's video. I hope it was informative and could help some of you out. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. As always, if you like the content I'm putting out, sharing the video helps a ton, and it never hurts to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on new content as it comes out. Thanks for watching. Take care.